If you're a student and you're not using these AI tools yet, you're making school harder than it needs to be. Here are 4 completely free tools and what each one is actually best for. First, ChatGPT. The free version runs on GPT-4o, one of the most capable AI models in the world. Use it as your 24/7 tutor. Ask it to explain a concept in simple terms, outline an essay, quiz you on a topic, or walk you through a problem step by step. Second, NotebookLM by Google. Upload your lecture notes, textbook chapters, or any PDF, and then have a real conversation with them. Ask it to build you a study guide, summarize a chapter, or generate practice questions from your actual class materials. Completely free. Third, Perplexity. When you need to research something, it gives you clear answers with real source links so you can verify what you're reading and actually cite it. That makes it far more useful for academic work than a regular search engine. And fourth, Claude. If ChatGPT is your tutor, Claude is your writing coach. It's built for longer, more complex work, research papers, detailed analysis, editing a full draft. It handles nuance really well, which is exactly what school demands. All 4 are free to start. No credit card, no catch. Try one this week and see what changes. If this was helpful, subscribe for a new practical AI tip every week.